Okay, now this is our special right triangles. Okay, let's start with the first one. We have 45 degrees, 45 degrees by 90. Okay, now how to solve this? We have two example triangles. Okay, number one, we're going to find the value of x and y here. As we can see here, x is our leg and y is also our leg or base. Now, the given only here is the value of hypotenuse side, and the value is 8 the square root of 2. Next, given number 2, same, we have 45 by 45 by 90. As we can see here, we're going to find the value of our x and z. And as we can see here, z is our hypotenuse side. And the only given here is our base, which is 5. Now, paano nga ba ito sagutin? Okay, let's start with given number 1. Okay, as we can see here, kung ang hinahanap natin, ang given natin ay 45 by 45 by 90 degrees, ito muna yung ating format. Okay, ang format natin, ang ating leg, we have two equivalent or equal leg. Okay, ang ating base at yung ating height ng ating triangle. And ano mangyayari sa ating hypotenuse side? Okay, sa ating representation, naglagay tayo muna ng ating given. Ang ating height ng triangle ay A at ang ating base ay A. Okay, ito yung ating represented format ng ating 45 by 45 by 90. Okay, A, ang ating height, ang ating base ay A din, at ang ating hypotenuse side ay leg times square root of 2. Now, as we can see here from the given, ang ating hinahanap dito ay value ng x. Okay, now, and value din ng y. Ano mangyayari sa ating given? Okay, this will become, kitang-kita na natin kung ang ating hypotenuse side ay 8 the square root of 2, malinaw na ang ating value ng a or leg ay 8 at ang ating base ay 8 din. Okay, therefore, we can conclude now that the value of x here is 8 and the value of y is also 8. Next, how about given number 2? Special right triangles, the same, 45 by 45 by 90. Given number 2, ang hinahanap naman natin dito ay value ng height ng triangle at yung ating hypotenuse side. Ang given naman dito ay base, which is 5. Okay, now, this is our format. Same. Yan, okay, leg, which is equivalent to A. Another leg, which is equivalent to A also. And our hypotenuse side, which is A the square root of 2. Kitang-kita naman na ang given natin ay base, which is 5. Now, ang value ng ating height ng triangle ay the same with 5. Ano yung ating hypotenuse side? Leg or A times the square root of 2. Kung ang value ng A natin dito ay 5, ang hypotenuse side natin ay 5 the square root of 2. Nakuha na natin ngayon yung value ng x at z. Ang value ng x equals 5, and the value of z is 5 the square root of 2.